Good morning, everybody. My name is Alex Fernandez. I'm here with AVRover, and what we're going to be doing is giving you a little overview of what AVRover brings to the table and some of our baseline products. So, as you can see, AVRover provides a mobile AV lab solution, and we're primarily focused in the STEM, vocational, and ESL curricular areas. However, we work with industries and schools at all different levels. Higher education, we have military applications, and really there is no end to where this fits. So what we're going to do today is actually just touch on what this is. And what it is a mobile classroom. And this mobile classroom allows you to actually roll in and be interactive on any surface. It really is a strong benefit to be able to move this into any environment at any size and have the ability to interact with it on the wall. Each one of these are fitted with a standard set of features. As you're seeing here is an SVS 200 model. We also have a 100 model, which is a little bit shorter. And included in this, you're going to have the audio mixer, which is in the front. As you can see here in the image, you have different volume controls and sound controls, and an XLR input to actually connect a microphone connection. For your protection, we've actually had a wall mount lock made available for the front so that you can actually lock these units and make them secure overnight or whenever it's not in use, so that any of the components are basically safe from theft. Along with that, each of the panels have been mounted and fixed onto the unit with security screws so that cannot easily be tampered with, opened up, or in some way damaged. Here you're going to see a couple of the standard components, which each of your AVRover units are going to come with an umbilical cord, which primarily comes with a VGA and an audio headphone jack connection. What that allows you to do is connect any computer to audio and video very easily, simply, and quickly to the AVRover unit using your umbilical. You do have the projector mounted up in the front with the adjustable shelf, which is patented by AVRover, and that's very easily adjusted to go higher, lower, or even change the size of the screen. We do have locking storage units and components that are available in the front, and those are available in many different sizes and configurations. As I stated, we don't just focus on education. We do have applications in the military, in the medical fields. As we stated, science, technology, engineering, mathematics is one of our primary focuses at this moment. Architecture, and pretty much anything in K through 12 or higher education, we found that this is a good fit and can be used to enhance education. Here you can see the basic AVRover cart is our primary flagship product, and as you can see, moving down, we have the interactive rover. We have the AVRover, which is more along the lines of the Apple and iPad. We have the 3D rover, which offers 3D instructional content in both English and Spanish. We have the broadcast rover, which actually allows you to do many different functions, and we'll touch on a few of those here. The Phys Ed rover is great for pushing gym class solutions or physical education solutions, and has been used in special ed environments on a few occasions. And of course, the custom AVRover. If you have your own equipment, or you just have your own configuration that you have in mind, we're happy to work with you to go ahead and put that together. Talking about the broadcast rover, this is a perfect video streaming solution. It really gives you the ability to not just broadcast, but you can record and edit and even play back all of your content. It's a really powerful solution for your school news. You can very easily integrate your green screen, XLR microphone, and even a soundboard if you wanted to. You can stream your morning announcements, special events. Really, there's no end to how this can be used. Here are just another couple of examples. You have video streaming, special events, video conference, and of course distance learning, which is a very, very common occurrence nowadays. We have many students that are able to participate in class that are not necessarily physically in that same location. So with this broadcast rover, you can easily connect two classrooms in two buildings. Here's a demonstration of how the iPad mirroring would work, and what this does, it allows you to take the contents of your iPad or tablet device and project that up on the front. We also have the ability to control your desktop, whether it be a Mac or a Windows machine, with your Android or Apple tablet. We really try to encourage collaboration and sharing. So within this, we've set up a number of software solutions, one of which that's available by seat license is Launchpad. It offers a 24/7 classroom with access to all of your resources and storage, and can really enhance the instructional relevance of what we're bringing to the table. You'll see here a demonstration of the interactive capability. This right here is the wand that allows you to do a right click, left click, and actually interact with the surface very easily during any kind of instruction. Here you're going to see an example of the competition, and what we're seeing is that there's a separate projector and typically mounted up on the ceiling. You have wiring concerns, you have conduit concerns, you have to set up your speakers and your wall-mounted screen. On top of that, these screens tend to have hotspots, and it doesn't allow for very clean projection. And the interactive capability is dependent on you being connected physically in some way to that device, which in many cases is a USB connection. So what we do is we take all of those things out of the equation, allowing this to be interactive on any surface. And we also do provide a special wall surface called Gator Wall, which enhances the viewing capability and the ability to write with the whiteboard features. Some of the components that come along with the 3D are included here. So the 3D ready projector is included right into the AVRover unit. We have our 3D glasses that are branded and actually shut themselves off when not in use. We have a robust computer which is custom built here at AVRover. We have all of the graphics cards and configurations and all the software that's necessary in order to be able to utilize the 3D instruction. Here's just a few examples of some of the content providers that we work with. Safari Montage provides server-based video solutions, and we have Cyber Anatomy and Eureka by DesignMate, which provides some very incredible 3D content. And really, why do we use 3D? And what have we found? It really truly increases attendance. It increases the attention. It increases the comprehension levels. And really, at the end, it increases test scores. Through engagement, through encouragement, through the new technologies, we can